Hiya, Cosmos companions. Star Guide Trace here. When you look at the stars, you see specks of twinkly light. But if you look a little longer, they come in a variety of colors: red, blue, yellow, orange, and white, of course. Find the Big Dipper. This week around 10 p.m. When we follow the arc of the handle, we get to Arcturus in Boötes. Arcturus is an orange star, which tells us it's a cool 4,300 Kelvin. If we spike from Arcturus to Spica, we'll see a very different color, blue. Why? Because it's a very hot 26,000 Kelvin. Now look south to Antares and Scorpius. This one's red, an even cooler supergiant at about 3,500 Kelvin. Finally, hop to the Summer Triangle in the east. Altair in Aquila is yellow-white at 7,800 Kelvin, and Vega is perfectly white at 9,800 Kelvin. Astronomers use color as one more data point about the stars we can see in the sky. Can you see colors out there? Keep looking up.